Good day everyone, welcome back to this channel. This is the second part of the video for AQ800E from Casio, and in this video I will show you how to set up this watch. Okay, first for the analog time, we can set up by pressing this button on the right side by using thing like this one, pencil. So we can push and hold and it will move the hand, and yes, we will have to wait until it shows the right time, and when it already near the right time you can release the button and then push one by one. So each button press is 1/3 of a minute. Okay, next is the digital watch. So how to set up this one? Let's start from the timekeeping mode, and to adjust the time we can press and hold the adjust button on the top left. And now the second is blinking, and if it is 29 or less it will become 0 without additional minute, but if it is 30 or more it will become 0 with additional minute by pressing this one, the mode button. Okay, so if I press this one it will become 0 with additional minute, but for example if this one 4 or 5 then it becomes 0 without additional minute. Next I press this adjust button to move to the next item, and that is the hour. We can use the mode button to increase the number like this and so on, and then again press the adjust button to move to the next item, the minute, and yes, again the mode button to increase the value or the number, and then press again the adjust button. Now we are in the selection of 24 hours format or military format, and also 12 hours format. So if I press the mode button it will change to 12. If I press again it will change to 24 and so on. And if I press this adjust button again, now it returns to the timekeeping mode and exit from the adjust mode for the timekeeping. Okay, next let's move on to the next mode, and that is the calendar or the date. And to adjust the date, also similar method, we can press and hold this adjust button, and now we can see that this one, the month is blinking. We can press the mode button to move or to increase the value like this, and then we can press the adjust button to move to the next item, and that is the date, and then you can press the mode button to change the value. Okay, and then again press the adjust button to move to the next item, and that is the day, and press the mode button to change the value. So now we have October 2nd, Tuesday, and so on. You can set as you need, and then press the adjust button to return to the calendar or the date and exit from the adjust mode. Okay, next we go to this one, the alarm, and I have set this up for 5:30 with both the alarm and the signal active. So the alarm is the small icon on the top. Okay, and then the bell is the signal, which means every hour it will give a beep sound. And yes, we will first set the time, and to do that we can press and hold this adjust button, and now the hour will blink. And then okay, let's set for 6:45. So I will press the mode button to change the number, so it becomes 6, and then I press the adjust button and it will move to the minute, but only the first number, and I can press the mode button to change from 3 to become 4. Okay, and then again press the adjust button. Now at the second number of the minute I press the mode button 5 times, so now 6:45, and then I press the adjust button again. It moves to this option, so we can press the mode button to cycle these options. So it's going to be either both not active, or only the alarm active, or only the signal active, or both alarm and signal active. So for now I will just let both active, and then press the adjust button again, and now we exit from the adjust of the alarm. Next mode is this one, the dual time. And to adjust the dual time is similar with the timekeeping, but it's just that we cannot set the second. The second will be the same as the timekeeping. So now I press and hold this adjust button, and then the hour is blinking. We can set or increase the number by pressing this one, the mode button. And then if I press the adjust button, it will move to the next item, the minute. And yes, changing again. And now if I press once more, it will move to this one, the option for 24 hours format or 12 hours format. And we can select by pressing the mode button. It might be confusing because the adjust writing is almost next to this one, the mode button, but the adjust is this one and the mode is the bottom button. Okay, and yeah, I will return to 24 hours format, so like this, and then press the adjust button to exit from the adjust of the dual time, and then press again the mode button. Now we are in the stopwatch mode. To use the stopwatch, you can press the adjust button on the top left to start, and then press again to stop. Okay, and then you can press again to start again, and press again to stop, and then to reset you can press and hold the adjust button like this. Okay, and then yeah, if I press this one more time, and now I'm back to the timekeeping mode. And that's how to adjust this watch, Casio AQ800E. Hopefully this video is useful, and don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you again in the next video. Bye.